Hey everybody, Ronnie Lee and Jeff with thebeanscene.com here. I'm gonna do a little walk and talk, one shot, no edits, all the way through Potrero. We got a little celebration for Potrero Costa becoming 200 years old, so that's what's a little more lively than usual. So just gonna walk and talk, dude. The only edit's gonna be turning this phone around right now. All right, Jeff, I'll see you later.
Yes, sir. I'll be here, brother.
All right, so if you're ever here in Potrero, you got a little ice cream shop right here. And we got a bar and rest, Dorito, which is having some celebrations right there. Look at that. I'm gonna walk on down here. Hola, hola. We got some vendors right there. And this place is really good to check out. It's Mexican food. Done a video or two on this place. It's really good. Today you got tacos for 1 meal. It's like $2. Sweet. Let's keep on walking. Down here we got Playa Pinca. It's a great little place. Chill enough to be riding that motorcycle. You go down there for Playa Pinca. Well, let me go. I'm gonna say hi to me back. What's that about? I'm gonna make sure they say hi to me on these upcoming people. Get some pan right here. Got some chickens. Free range chickens coming through here. This is good stuff. Let's walk through here. Got some street meat. Hola, amigas. Hola, hola. See? See? Okay. Very spicy. See? I'm gonna have to come back and get some of that. Got some football happening over here. Oh! Boom, boom, boom. Come on, I can't stop the video. Oi, oi, oi!
Thank you.
That's just, all right. Like I said, I can't stop the edit. Keep going. Hola, hola. So we're gonna walk on down here. This person made a wrong turn, I guess. Yeah. So we got a little market right here. We'll check that out on the way back. I'm gonna walk down here to the ocean. Or at least I can show you guys. Because this is like all the places to check out if you're ever here on the Potrero side. It's a cool little house. All right, so you have a little place right here to check out. All right, it's slightly new. It's been here less than a year. And then this is the world famous Las Brisas. Wednesday nights, ladies' night. Place is happen. All right, done a couple videos of that spot also. And we'll come back. There's a couple more places I want you guys to check out. This place right here has a great little convenience store. And then right over here, is the community center. Dude, I've seen markets in here. They even had a weekly roller skating rink situation. It's pretty cool. Look at that, dude. So they have markets in here and all kind of fun stuff. I like it. The market. Hola, hola. This is nice. Look at that. You see? Muy bien. Everybody's watching the football game. And then you come on down here, we got a couple of sodas coming up. This is nice. Hola, amigo. Keep going here. Let's get a little soda right there. Little film, little place right there. Let's come on up in here. And then we end our tour basically right here at one of my favorite sodas, which is lime. It's nice. So there you go. There's your virtual walkthrough. Cheers. And here we are in Costa Rica. It's a howler monkey. There's something just so majestic about this wild beast. Can't quite put my finger on it.
He's like, you looking at my balls? You looking at my balls?